Hello Fanatics, welcome or welcome back to Diamond Painting Fanatics. I am Cindy and today I'm going to be kitting up another kit, this one. I already have Elise kitted up. I'm going to kit this one up. I've done it differently because I'm curious to see, but I have prepared myself. All I've done is stick the symbol on. That's it, just the symbol. There's 40 colours in this kit, and then I have numbered the DMC bags in order. So we start with 150, which is equals, and it should follow suit. So I will be double checking just to make sure I didn't go wrong. But here's the symbols, all vanished. Here's the DMC code, which Diamond Art Studio do DMC baggies. So 150 is number 1, which is equals. So I've just put them in order. I'm going to keep them in order so that I don't go wrong. And then if there's extras, I will use the 20 pots I've got left, or stick them in the basket in the top. But this is the kit I'm working on. How cute is this? I've decided to kit this one up. I want to take 2 on holiday because apparently it's going to rain a lot. It's ambitious, but at least this time I'm only taking 2. Last time I took way too many, but it all fits into one case. So I'm just taking 1 case of drills. And I'm leaving like shortly, so I've decided to take 2 kits. That's it. And yeah, I'm going to take this one and Elise, who's all kitted up, ready to go. So let's begin, because I have to leave soon. I'm going to use my funnel as per I have last time, just to keep them all contained. Number 1 is 150, and here we go. So I don't have to cut into the bags or anything, and it should go nice and smoothly. Once they're all done, I will rejig them, which I will do with you. Number 2 is H, which is 154. I do have some double bags, so I will circle back to that as and when we get there, but it is the higher end, so we will know by then. Spare pot situation. Number 3 is number 3. I've never used these containers before, so the first time out. They're going on holiday with me. $160 is number 3. Yeah, so I work by symbol. Some just go 1 to 40 and then do it accordingly. I can't do it that way. I have to work with the symbol. I feel, again, with diamond painting, and this is what I love about it, is there's so many channels out there who do it in so many different ways. I do love that sound. Who do it in so many different ways. You pick up tips and tricks, hopefully from all of us. But I go by symbol. I don't like the numbered pots, and I don't like DMC or anything like that. I just find it takes a lot of fuss out of it for me, and that's the way I prefer it. So question mark. Number 7 is 307, which is actually pot number 6. That's all going to fit into one because it's a 6 gram bag. Come on, no man left behind. A little bit static in there. See, I said no man left behind. And there isn't. At 310, it's going to take more than one pot. So I'm going to slowly pour those in. Okay, 310 got left behind. So I'm just going to do that for now, just to keep on track. And I'll pop that there. Let's hope we don't mess this up. Dead Christmas tree is all the 3s. I'm so sorry. How are you all? I hope you're all well, and I promise you I have you enough videos to keep you busy while I'm away. I will also be recording some videos for you guys while I'm away, so you won't miss me. I promise. Saying that, you'll be watching this either when I'm back or still away, so we shall see. 550 is number 10, which there is 10 rows, so that's perfect. And also on track, so this might work well in the future. Okay, so now this is a 12 gram bag, which again I'll keep some to one side. And that's 11,606. I'll pop that up there. So 699 is an 11 gram. Well, I say 11, it's just under. I'm pretty sure I managed to fit. I can't remember if it was 1 or 2, that's the problem. But I'm not going to, let's try it. I was going to say I'm not going to overfill it, but I already have, so. I'm pretty sure I managed to get them in one before. There you go. So 10.65 does indeed fit into one container. Number 2, which is pot number 13, is 703. Oh, there's one. Three. yeah, when I'm all kitted up, we will rejig them. There is so many gorgeous colours in this kit. I'm excited to do this one, and I think I'm excited. It's so unusual for Diamond Art Studio, so I want to do it, and it's gorgeous. I like it. Angry eyebrows. I'm sorry, but it's sip of tea time. Must drink it while it's hot. 7:40. It's pot number 16. Awesome. This is working out quite well. Might be my new go-to method, because I no longer kit down. So even Santa said to me, "You're not keeping any of the drills." I said, "No. I don't need to worry with Diamond Art Studio because I never run out, so I have plenty per kit." That's not a concern. I love how they've colour coded them as well. It's yellow and yellow, green and green, green and green, dark green and green. It's quite clever for a sticker sheet. So this will be pot number 19, which should be 791. There we go. What you all working on? So that's an 8-gram bag. Have you bought any of the new releases? Such as these two. They're from the new releases, so to speak. Right, I have a 22-gram bag, so I'll be able to put some of these in here. Let's see if I can get rid of that. This is actually quicker doing it this way. Yep. R is 817. So this is pot number 22, which is 817. Perfect. Until I'm concentrating. And that is R, little A. Look how deep that blue is. I'm so excited. I say that all the time, but I am. $20, and we have an up arrow. which is 8.23. That is done. Oh. Just going to pour that in there because there's only a tiny amount of them. I wonder where that goes, in the centre of the bird. Perhaps in bear in mind Diamond Art Studio give you extra, so there will only be a couple of those dotted around somewhere. The moon. Now this is going to need 2 pots. For now, we will just do a lower one. Number 6. $9.17. So number 9.17 is pot 29. That's 20. No, 30. This is actually working really well. $9.95. That should fit into one. And the bendy arrow does indeed. Go much quicker than I thought. This is definitely going to need 2. Toxic sign. Here we go into the last few, because we're in the 3000s. That's the triangle. The backwards Y, which I always put in the Y position, I have to say. Now, oh, there's a broken bit of pot in there. It's a bit of plastic. That's not broken. Is tick. We have 1.5 of those left. We have 2 of these as well, 37.61. I need 2 of those as well. I think we might have enough pots. I think we might. Little target. One of those, number 4. I'm going to need one of those. Oh, the anchor. Always reminds me of Denny. if anyone did, I don't know the proper name of it. Can you see a dragonfly or something? But yeah, that was covered in anchors, so that was pretty cool. And we have $38.46. Really cute teal. And there we go. I'm going to keep them in the same order for a minute because I don't want to mix them all up and then get confused with myself. So let's put that in there. Ooh. Now that is percent. So that's what I'm going to do. Just for a minute. 38.43. Right, 38.43 is 39. Swig of tea, because we're going to get confused with ourselves. Actually, I can take that out because that's done. 37.66 is 36. It's 32.46. Take that one out. Put that one in there. That one. 996 is 31, so that's the toxic sign. That should all fit into one. And 906 is 20, so 39, so that's B. They're quite stuck in there. I wonder if I can, you give them a little shake, they settle down, so I might be hoping against hope here. See if we can get them in. I might be able to. Is that only? Ta-da! So I didn't need it after all. 809 is pot number 21. Ooh. I need a tray. That's 21, that's L. Let's put it in. Let's just do it. One. Ooh, lost it. .606 was this one, from what I remember. Yeah, that's not gonna go. So really 10. 606 is 11. I was in an odd spot. Now 310. Just gonna top that one up. Bit static in that one. So 10. Okay, these were these two. So I'm going to leave them out. Okay, now what I do, take out this row, number 1, number 2, 3, we had a number 4, 5, I don't remember seeing, 5, then we had a 6, and a 7, then I think we went to letters, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Right, L I won't put here because I like all my L's together. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, backwards Y, yeah, and Z. Then we do the symbols, and what I like to do is now colour code them. So they're all blue, so I can put the 310 there because that's all the 310. Yellows and oranges, greens, reds, purples, and then them two. So blues, pinks, 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 and browns. Okay, so we'll do the yellows, the oranges, the purples, and the green. And then we will do the blue, which blues doesn't matter, they're all blues. And then the pink, again doesn't matter, and then we can take, oh, I'm going to move that one over because we have this little bit of 606 which we can now fit into a pot because we have plenty of pots left. Then we have let's go this way. We'll do the ticks. Yes, I'm guessing 3, 4. And then we can top that one up. I like it when I can get them all in. I don't have any baggies hanging about. So that's a tick, a tick, and a tick. I'm going to take these out and guesstimate about the same. And then we're done, you guys. We are pretty much done. This one. I like to have the one with the label the most full. It's just a me thing. And done. Ooh. This lid's having trouble going on. Put that on the end. And there we go. Job done. I've left my scissors downstairs, so I can't cut this out, but I want to take, I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to pop that on the top of Elise. I don't have my scissors. Oh, I have some. Not my posh ones, but it will do the job. And then I just cut this off. And pop that in there because it tells me which kit it is. Something I've started doing is cutting this off like so, and then sticking it on my box because it's a sticker. Job done, guys. Yeah. So when you get to see this, I will either be on holiday or I'll be back from my holiday. I am going to be working on Elise while I'm away, and if I can, I will cram this one in as well. But I'm not very hopeful because I always get over ambitious. I think I can pull it off when in fact I actually can't. So this is Thomas and Candace, the bird, from Enhert Kraus. And there you go. Kit is up, ready to go. That canal. I think that worked quite well. I usually butcher things and oh, 50 by 60. I always forget that I have to. 50 by 60 square. Because the size comes on the sheet, I forget to add it onto my picture. Thank you so much for joining me and keeping me company. Just to show you, look, here is Thomas and Candace the bird, and then in here I take this one off, and there's Elise. So excited! I can't wait to do her. I think she looks awesome. And there you go. Ta-da! Another one all kitted up, and that will sit in there, and that will go in my car.